So in that class we just gonna discuss about the type tools. So type tools is really easy thought, so you might tell that I know that, but in here in Adobe Illustrator, so most of all design you need this type tools option. So this tool option is really most important tools. So I'm just gonna introduce all the type tools option is today, and then another class I just gonna describe how to use it in professional way. So what are you waiting for? So let's introduce it one by one. This is a option of type tools. Okay, this is the option of type tools. So in here you see that cursor is here. When you click like that, so you get an option like that. So that the option, so I'm just gonna make it take it a screenshot for you. One is type tools. Type tools short form is TIPS. Type tools, then we just learn area type tools. So what is area type tools? If you have an area, so you want to write down is the perfect area in a perfect way, so area type tools is important. Then type on a path tools, then vertical type tools, vertical area type tools, vertical on type on a path tools, and task type tools. It's not too much important. So what are you waiting for? Let's introduce it. So type tools. So what you have the type tools option, so you see that. So if you can when you click it, just click it, so you get a cursor like that. You can text down it's your name. I just write down my name, my channel name. So expert. Okay, so when you just big the shape, just press the shift, because if when you press the shift it will be perfect shape, or without shift when you say it's you can lose the quality of your text. So when you just make it bigger, then press the shift, it will be really helpful for you. So when you just click this text on your text, so you get an option like that. So you have, I'm just going to introduce a new thing. So you have this a character. Okay, this is the character, so in here you see this font list. So in here you choose the font, so what kind of font you wanna use, so you can use it here. So I'm just going to introduce just tell you again how to do that. So in here when you just write down any text, so just click it, you just get option in here characters. So in here you just click this option, search bar option. You see that search bar option, in here you just got this name of all the font in here. So you can choose one by one, just click in here, one click, and just press down on your keyboard, so it will be changed, and you can choose this style whatever you want. Okay, so now I'm just gonna to share you one thing that's really important when you are making a design for your own. So I'm just gonna introduce you the software free font. Okay, so how you have, this is a font, this is the font style, and this font name is OCRASTD. So you can change the font, and you can download and any font. So I think we just share it next class, so that will be best. But let's go to another thing, because I just take a one class, because really important how to download and how to install a font. So this is really important. So I think this we take another class for that. So I really don't want to make any class bigger. So let's jump to another thing. So this is the type tools option. This is the type tool option. So this is the type tool option. Okay, so when you work on a type tools option, you might have an option like that. So press the Ctrl T. Press again. I told that press Ctrl T. So you get a character board like that in here on your computer, Adobe Illustrator screen. So you get option like that character. So again I like that this character, this the font name, you can change the font in here also. So this the font name. So then this the paragraph, this what the style you gonna use it. So let's go to another part. So this area type tools. And now what's the area type tools? Okay, now what the area type tools? So if you have an area, if you have any shape, so you want to write down the in that shape, so how to do that? This is the simple question answer is you just take a shape. I just take a rectangular shape. This is the my shape. Okay, now I just wanna type in that shape area. So this area, when you write down, when you type this text in that area, so now this tools is really helpful. So just press in here, just choose area type tools. Then again when you just click it, it not work because it show you must click on non-compound and non-masking path create to text inside the path. So what to do that? So in here you zoom it, you see that this is the path area, this is the path area, and this is the anchor point area. So when you just zoom again for your help, you want to zoom like that, you just it say path is the anchor. So when it's a anchor, just click in here, you see that it's a really perfectly text down. So this is the third. You can type any shape, type in any kind of shape like that. So now I'm just gonna introduce another thing. So you know what is the character I just described some minutes ago. This is the character. You just change the font style, and that's the paragraph. In here you see that this font size. Okay, you can set your font size. It's a 12 pt now, so you can increase it when you make it bigger, so you can increase it from in here like that. So this is the option of you can set your font size. Okay, then in here you can just set your leading size like this. You see that this is the may take a gap. It's like your MS Word option like that. So you here also, in here also you have an option. You can make a distance between your word. So set the tracking for the selected characters. So this is how you can just make this option. You see that this is the option. Okay, so next you can write down any text of like in here. So in here, so another option is a paragraph. So this is the option. You can just set your type tools. So this so this will be the perfect shape. So I think this will be perfect. Okay, then we just take another shape. This our shape like this. When you just path, no, it's not working on a path area. When you click on anchor, see that this path and this anchor, it's not working on path area, it's an anchor area. So you have when you click on any kind of anchor, so this the shape. If you click in here, so it's not work. Non masking path, you have to choose this anchor point. You have to choose this anchor point and just click down it. So it will be it will be rounded shape. So this really important when you making any kind of design. So again I told that again just we have this star shape. So if you wanna make your text in a star shape area, so in that how you just gonna follow the same rule. So area type tools, just gonna when you just choose any anchor, just click, is style is same, boom. So in that how you just write down your text in any kind of shape. So this part gone. Now type on a path tools. Okay, sometimes when you write down your text on your logo, you may use your text in ribbon. So if you have to use your text style in type on a path tools. And how to do that? It's a really simple question answer. So it's a let's do that. Type on a path tools, type on a path tools. So this is the pen tools. I just make a path, so I just make it curve, little bit curve, so little bit curve. And how to do that? So type on a path tools, you see that I just let me copy some word, then choose type on a path tools. So this is the path we selected, so just click it and paste it. You see that it's just gonna it's really great shape. So if you wanna make your little bit shaper, so you just curve style. So this is option type on a path tools. This really important, that's really important. So you can change your font name, font style is really, so really choose sometimes if you select a perfect font, this make your design awesome. So that's how you can write down your type on a path tools. So this is how. So if you have this option, so just this option, so you just want to write down on a path. So how to do that? This is simple things. This area type on a path tools. So you just see that it's on a it will be text like say for every path. So simple how. If you like that, if you have this shape, if you want this type on a path tools, so select it. It will be text like that. It will be cover your shape area. So this is how you can text on a path. And please try to make your homework, because really important, because I am just going to give you the lesson. If you try it again and again, so it will be help to make you make a professional and better design. So then coming vertical type tools. So vertical type tools, what is the vertical? So vertical types work like that. This work like that. So this line, so this line, the vertical line, it will be text like that. So it will start like this. So this will be, it will be vertically like that, vertical. So then go to it, vertical type tools, vertical type tools. So this is how you have this text. So we have this when you click this vertical type tools, again I told that vertical type tools, but vertical type tools, then just click with this arrow. Is you can text down your text in vertically. So you see that IX part. So this how you just gonna text down, vertically. So this really pretty simple thing, and just try it, because it's really helpful. So you can learn in vertically. So vertical type tools gone. Then come to point vertical area type tools. Vertical area type tool also like that. So if you have any shape, if you want to write down your text in vertically, so this work like that. Just take a shape. So then you choose this vertical area type tools, vertical area type tools. So you see that it work like that. It's vertically, it's write down in a vertically, it's a vertically. So this is a really pretty simple thing and please try it again and again, so it will be help when you try your own, so you can learn learn very quickly. So this is a simple thing. 10 task type tools is also like that, and vertical type on a pad tools. So you have this shape, so type on a then choose this option. If you have option, it will be text down is a vertically. So this is really pretty simple thought. So in and last, so task type tools, these are not important, so it's a like just when you click it, and if you wanna be make it bigger, so it will be like that. If you wanna choose special any of this subject, so it's a really not too much important, but it's add it. Okay, you just gonna learn in that how. So this is a really for big for today, and next class I just gonna show you how to install any font and how to download any font and how to make a perfect design. So I think we just take a 3 class for that, because first class I'm just gonna introduce all of the type tools option, and second class I'm just gonna describe it how to use these tools type tools option is a perfect way, and how to install any font, and third class I'm just gonna show you how to make a design using these type tools. And wish you enjoy this class, and if you have any question, if you have any confusion, you just type down, because I know sometimes my English is not pretty cool, so forget about that. And I just I just want to share my talents with you guys, and thank you so much. Thank you.